What's the difference between a last will and testament and a living trust? A will is merely a wish document. The creator of the will simply designates who they want to receive the assets in their estate. It covers their wishes. A will must be validated by the probate court to determine whether it's legitimate, valid as a legal document. In today's world, the potential for something being fraud is real, so the court has to know that the document is valid and that the person who wrote the will actually did it. Once the court determines the validity of the document, the distribution of the assets will occur as determined by what the will states. If anyone contests the will, the court will hold a hearing to determine what actions to take. It is not uncommon for someone to question a will, especially in a mixed family. Whether the will is contested or not, the process can be stressful and costly. There's legal fees, court costs, and other miscellaneous charges, including appraisals, to determine an asset's true value. It is not uncommon for legal and court costs to range from 5 to 10% of the value of the estate. If you have minor or disabled children, the will can include guardianship directives as to who you want to name as the guardian. Otherwise, the court will have to decide that as well. Different than a will, a revocable living trust is a contract. To conform to the requirements for a document to be a legal contract, the owner, who is referred to as the grantor of the trust, will have 2 witnesses and a notary sign the documents. The witnesses are attesting to the fact that you, in fact, did sign the documents, and the notary makes it official. As the grantor, you will also name an executor and successor trustee, who can be one and the same person or 2 people. A revocable living trust has many benefits beyond what a will does. For example, in addition to who you want to receive a beneficial interest or a bequest, you can also specify when and how you want certain assets distributed. Keep in mind, assets include anything with financial or material value, as well as sentimental value. You don't get these benefits with a will. Unlike a will, having a revocable living trust bypasses the entire probate process. Your estate can be settled quickly without the hassle, stress, cost, and loss of privacy, all of which are associated with the probate court process. Probate court is the government's plan. The estate plan with the revocable living trust is your custom plan.